Whenever you learn your brother-in-law is coming to town, you just personally get into the kitchen and prepare the meal.
Yes, now. It's children we're talking about. I don't joke with him, baby.
Of course, I know that.
Don't worry. In 10 minutes, I'll be done.
Are you sure?
I'll be done.
Okay, then I'll be waiting for you in the living room.
Alright.
Alright, see ya.
I'll see you soon. Sorry, please.
You're not ready yet?
Yes, please, just feel.
Oh, God. Honey, 10 minutes has turned to 30 minutes. I told you I need to rush out.
No, babe, I'm trying to, it's your special.
You know what? I'll still eat that food, but let me go where I'm supposed to, please. Just keep it when I'm back home.
Baby.
Sorry, let me take this call. Hello? Yes, I am. Who is this? What? Where?
What is it?
How?
What is it, babe?
Okay, which hospital?
Jesus.
Alright, I'm coming there right away, please.
What is it? Please, what is it?
Trudy was involved in a ghastly motor accident that damaged his car beyond repair.
Jesus. No.
I need to rush there now. Please, I'll see you when I'm back, please.
No, babe. Hey! Aloji! Please. What about the kids? I've got something on the fire. We're rushing up to the hospital. Be right back. Yes.
Doctor, I cannot risk it, please. He's my only brother. I want to take him away from here and fly him abroad for treatment.
Even if you want to do that, you still have to wait. You can't fly him out in his condition.
Doctor, please, but can we at least see him, please?
I'm sorry, man, you can't. Once it's due for you to see him, I'll let you know. If only I can control his rigorous internal bleeding, then I assure you there's nothing to worry about.
Doctor, please, just do everything you can to make him stable. I'm willing to write you a check of any amount you need. Just make sure he's fine. Please.
God alone gives and takes lives. One thing I can assure you is he's still breathing and still alive.
Please, do your best. I beg you, please. Okay.
Is he alive? Is he talking now? Eh? Nurse, please now. Nurse. Judy, my husband, asked us to go together. But I refused because of you. I want to remain here until you wake up. I want to be the first person you will see when you wake up. And I know that will be sooner than I expected. You are stronger than this. You are stronger than your pain. You are stronger than your fear. I've always known you to be a warrior. So fight. Fight it. Please, for my sake.
Honey?
You're welcome.
Where's the new boy? Please call him. What's he doing inside?
Sunday! Sunday!
Madam.
Oh, that's him.
Okay, welcome, sir.
You're welcome. Okay. Open the trunk, get the wheelchair from there, disembark it, and help him in.
Okay, sir.
Your work starts now.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
He'll be fine. Okay. No worries. No worries. He'll be fine. Tonto. Gently. Easy, easy, easy. You'll be coming this side now, so you can see. What are you doing?
This love is strong. The love is very mighty, wonderful, Your love is strong. Your love is mighty, wonderful, They never tread on the wrong path. They live in peace. They never tread on the wrong path. They love themselves. They never try.
Babe, what about his house in BH?
I've told his house boy and his security guy to just keep an eye on the house and take care of everything until he's back to his feet. I'll be paying their salaries from here.
His office? What about his office?
No, his office will remain locked for now. We're not worrying about work now, no. He'll be with us until he's strong enough to go back to PH. But for now, he's going to stay with us. You're not sleeping?
Babe. I'm not sleeping, I'm fine.
Look at the time, you need to go to bed, please.
I know.
Oga, it's not yet time I take you to bed. The day is almost breaking.
I am not feeling sleepy. Just leave me alone.
Yes, sir.
Good morning. You're awake already? How was your night? Okay, I actually came to find out what you will have for breakfast.
I don't need your food.
Chudi, believe me, I totally understand how you feel. But you have to understand that Chidi.
Get out!
Sorry, please.
Honey, I hope you have given Judy something to take.
Yes.
Good. So how is he?
It's fine.
Thank God. I just hope he recovers quickly, and I believe with time he'll get over that. Oh, he's here.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
He said I should bring him to read paper.
Oh, thank you. Ago, how was your night?
Excuse us.
Is everything okay?
Everything is not fine.
Why? What's wrong?
I didn't sleep a wink throughout the night.
Why?
I was thinking.
About what?
My children.
Your children? Are you alright, Judy? What are you talking about? What is he talking about?
Sweetheart, I'll be my wife.
Don't you dare step an inch out of this place until you've told him what he needs to know.
Abianuju.
My love.
What's going on here?
I'm confused too. I don't know what he's talking about.
What children is he talking about? What's going on?
I have no idea. Obviously, it's the effect of the drugs. You can see.
Uju? Jody.
Judy, please. I came to beg you. Help me save my marriage. Please. Don't do this to me. Please. For the sake of the children, please. Just let it go. I'm begging you. Please.
Have you seen where your selfish interests put me? Have you seen it? I told you I was not comfortable coming on this journey. I told you I was not comfortable with you coming down to this place from Port Harcourt, but you made me hit the road because of your...
I'm so sorry, Please. I don't know you. You were involved in an accident. It wasn't entirely my fault if you check it well. Please, in the name of God, forgive me. I will not intentionally put you through such. Please. In the name of God, for the sake of the children, for my marriage.
What becomes my fate now? What is my lot now?
I trust God. Let's keep believing in God. I know He will restore you. Please. Please, for the sake of the children. For God's sake, too.
Really?
Please. Judy, please. Judy.
I need to be left alone. Get out.
Okay, fine. Sorry.
How did you create women? Take my life. Take my life. Please.
This love is strong. The love is very tight. Wonderful, Your love is strong. Your love is tight. Wonderful, They never tread on the wrong path. They live in peace. They never tread on the wrong path. They love themselves. They never try to separate themselves. They live in peace. They love themselves very much. They love themselves. They live in peace. They live in peace. They love themselves. They love themselves. This brotherly love is pure. This brotherly love is envious. They care for each other. Their bond is too tight.
Uncle Judy, Uncle Judy!
Hey. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Now listen. I am not your uncle. Don't ever call me uncle again. I am your father. I'm your father. Call me daddy. Okay? Now call me daddy. Call me daddy. I am your father.
Daddy.
My children. My children. My children. Call me daddy. Call me daddy. Oh yeah.
Hey, sweetheart. Babe.
Do you want to tell me what I need to know?
Babe, wait a minute. You actually believe in your brother? Listen to me. I have no idea of whatever he was trying to talk about. Obviously, his health is beginning to affect him. You can see it has turned him to a sadist. So, is that who you're trying to believe right now? Over me?
You expect me to believe you?
Sweetheart, you have to believe me. I have no idea. I mean, absolutely no idea of whatever he was trying to talk about. Whether he has a child anywhere in the world, I do not know.
Interesting.
This man's sickness is beginning to affect him. You should... Sweetheart! Babe!
My angels, how are you?
Fine.
How was school today?
School was fine.
Good.
Daddy,
Yes?
Uncle Judy said you should stop calling him uncle.
Why?
I don't know.
What did you do to him?
We did nothing. Although he was upset, he said that is not our uncle, that is our father.
Babe, sorry.
Why are you not in bed?
I'm coming.
Have the kids gone to bed?
Yes.
It's late already. Come, let's go to bed.
Yes. I'll be right behind you.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, please. Hurry up, it's late.
Yes.
Not ready to stand before you. Become my Remo. Please forgive me. Become my Remo. Please forgive me. Become my Remo. Please forgive me. Become my
Honey?
Babe, you're not going to work this morning.
I will actually. I'm just trying to finish this chapter. How about the kids? Have they gone to school?
Yes, like about an hour ago.
Oh, good. Have you seen Judy this morning?
Not yet.
Please, you sure? Won't you eat today?
I'll do that right now. Let me go serve him his breakfast.
Okay, thank you very much.
My husband has decided to let everything go. He doesn't want to talk about it at all. I am here to plead with you. Please, Judy. In the name of God, I'm begging you. Have me save my marriage. Let it go. Please. Let bygone be bygone. Please, don't spoil my mind.
Now, do you want to tell me what happened?
Baby, please. Tell where the gun. Please. Yes, I will talk. I will tell you everything.
Will you speak?
Jesus, please. No, shoot me, please. Put away the gun. No, please, I will talk.
There's nothing to be afraid of anymore. What is the essence of my existence when I can't even move? Brother, pull the trigger.
No, please.
Shoot me!
No!
Kill me!
I will tell you everything, please. It's me.
I'm listening.
Yeah, I'm curious, baby. Is there anything wrong in both of us going for medical checkup to find out what is stopping us from having our own children?
Everything is wrong with that. I mean, this is just 2 years into our marriage, and you're already running helter-skelter in search of the fruit of the womb. What's that?
Baby, the whole weight is on me. I'm a woman. A lot of expectations on me. Okay? The earlier I start seeking for the solution to this problem, the better for me.
As far as I'm concerned, there's no problem here. None at all.
Baby, are you saying our inability to have our first issue since 2 years of being married isn't a problem to you?
How is that a problem? I know we don't have any problem. We're both sound, so in God's time, we will have our own children. Please, stop worrying your head about this and go to bed.
From the result of the test conducted on you, shows you are very much okay and fit to have a child. Yes. See, there is nothing wrong with your reproductive system. Absolutely nothing. So I will advise you to invite your husband for medical checkup.
Doctor, the problem with my husband is that he doesn't like it anytime I speak to him about going to see a doctor to ascertain the actual problem with him. You see, that's my problem.
Well, you must find a way to convince him to come. Yes, because most times the problem might not be coming from you, maybe from him. So you have to try, you have to convince him to come.
Thank you very much, doctor. Thank you so much for being helpful. Baby, I went to go see a doctor today. After a series of tests, he confirmed that I'm perfectly fine. And now asked me to bring you to come run yours.
To bring me? On whose agreement did you go to see a doctor? Did you and I ever come to such arrangements?
So, baby, I'm just...
But what? Why are you trying to prove stubborn all the time? Since you have decided not to listen to whatever I say in this house, go ahead and do your will.
Ntu.
Ama.
Please, what is the color of your problem? No, why do you have problem with literally everything I am doing to solve our problem?
And I keep telling you that we have no single problem in this house. Abianuju, do not create one.
Oh yeah? Oh, I see now. No, now it's clear that you are hiding something. Yes, keep hiding. Me, I don't know what is wrong with you. If there's anything you are hiding, you better come clean. Just say it. Say it. No, this does not have anything to do with me nagging or stuff, right? I'm a woman. I just want to have my own child. Even if it's just one, yes, just like every other woman. How is that too much? No, how is that too much? To be honest with you, your absolute refusal to go see a doctor to know if there's any problem with your reproductive organ that can be corrected is a red flag. A serious red flag. It shows you are hiding something. Yes. Shows you're hiding something.
My dear, it's obvious that something is wrong with him and he's hiding it from you.
I know. Please, what do you advise I do?
You have to bear your cross, oh. You have to bear your cross.
Hey, Osim will bear my cross. What cross? Eh? Look at me. There is absolutely nothing wrong with me. In quotes, I am perfectly fine. Look what this man is doing to me. Like, literally everyone is calling me barren right now. What is this?
I understand you very well. But there's something you need to understand. In marriage, there is cross to carry. Do you understand? There is a cross to carry. And you only have two options.
Which are?
Be patient with him. Convince him to go and see the doctor. Or you do what I did. And I am happy about it. I have nothing to worry about.
No. Please. What did you do? No. Never.
I love my husband so much. He can't betray our love.
And something must be done. Yes. Something must be done. Good morning, Pastor. Welcome.
How are you, sir?
I'm fine, sir.
I hope he's around.
Yes, sir.
Please call him.
Okay. Please, what can I offer you first?
I'm okay, except for Dikeh and Joe. Just water, cold water.
Okay. I'll be right back. Baby. My pastor is here to see you.
Your pastor?
Yes.
What business do I have with your pastor? I'm not a member of his church.
Baby. Well, you don't have to necessarily have business to do with him. He called me this morning saying that he wants to see us and it's important.
Tell him I have no intentions of seeing him.
Baby, you have to see him, please. It doesn't bite. Baby.
Good morning, sir. Good morning. How are you doing?
We're fine.
Make yourself comfortable.
Thank you very much.
Yeah. I was almost on my way to work when she told me some people want to see me. I hope all is well.
Yes. All is well.
Good.
Just that I have this leading of the Spirit of God to come and pray for you and your wife concerning the challenges you are facing presently.
I'm sorry, sir, but we are not facing any challenges.
I mean, the challenges of your childlessness for.
And who told you we are childless?
Yeah. Well, I know that.
You know what? I have seen that you're one of those men who go about looking for homes to destroy in the name of God. I will not let you do that to my home. Now get your butt off my couch and leave my house.
Please take it easy, sir.
I said get out of my house.
Please take it easy.
Sorry, sir. But the Holy Spirit...
If you do not leave my house this moment, the Holy Spirit will shake your head. Get out of my house! What's in Holy Spirit? Rubbish!
Oh my God. Sweetheart, what happened? What is it?
Let this be the last time you will invite these ragamuffins into my house again in the name of you looking for a child. The next time you do it, you will not just live with them, but I will make sure you never step your feet into this house again. Say it.
Our wife. Wifey, wife. What is it? Just tell me whatever it is. I will solve it once and for all. I am here now. You're crying. What is it?
Is it not your brother? Can you imagine he slapped me this morning before going to work?
My brother slapped you? Hold on. Come here. Brother, with due respect, how could you lay a finger on your wife? She deserves more than this now. Huh? How could you do that? But you don't know how lucky you are to have Uju as a wife. You don't. You need to see how people envy your marriage. People want to be like you. People want to emulate you in your marriage. And here you are beating her up.
Why would she go about soliciting sympathy from people over her childlessness in just 2 years? Isn't that too early?
Brother, she's only being a woman. You and I know that the general pursuit of every woman in life is to have a good husband like you, then bear children for this man that they got married to. You don't have to be harsh on her now.
I am this man in question and I am her husband. All she needs to do is listen to my instructions. That is it.
Brother, you have a good wife. Uju is exceptional. You need to see how women live in their houses with their husbands. Even our parents can attest to her godly virtues. You don't need to be harsh on her now.
I've heard you, Judy.
Would you? Wifey. Doing what she does as the best.
So please, I'm actually not in the mood in sorry.
That is why I'm here. To put you back in the mood for your laughing. Alright, we don't laugh. Yes. Wait until I go back to the capital. You can be in any movie you want to eat.
It's fine.
Now keep smiling. Well, anyways, I spoke to my brother. And trust me, he regrets his actions.
Judy, I want you to also help me find out from him why he has refused to see a doctor to help us explain the actual problem with his reproductive system. Because I don't know why something as little as that should bring a problem between a husband and wife.
Wifey, don't worry. Please. Everything will be sorted out. Okay?
To be honest with you, I am actually very worried. Very, very worried. Because he's beginning to act like as if there's something he's hiding. No, because this is very simple. Why would something as little as that cause a problem between us?
Wifey is not hiding anything, believe me. You see, some men are usually deceptive. They don't even go for this test completely and come up with the shot that there's something wrong, there's a problem. Especially when they cannot improve their lives. Okay?
What if there's actually something wrong?
Not only wrong. Trust me. Alright? You see, my brother is of the opinion that it is different language. Yes. Don't worry, everything will sort it out soon. Okay?
What if he doesn't?
I will now have no option than to make him one test. Don't worry, I'll help you.
No, I don't.
Honey. Sweetheart, I am deeply sorry for today's incidents. It was not my intention, honestly. You know I'm not a violent person. I'm sorry. Please find a place in your heart to forgive me. I promise it won't happen again. Please.
Love you.
Love you too. Let's go to bed.
Oh my God, sweetheart. You cannot believe this. Like, I'm still in shock. Do you know for the very first time, your brother, my husband, apologized to me? This is something he has never done since I married him. Like, how?
I know. But I told you. I told you.
My God. You must have really spoken some sense into him to be able to convince him, because that man, I'm sorry, are in a serious war. Yeah, they are in a love and hate relationship. It doesn't come out of his mouth. How are you able to convince him?
Okay, let's say I deserve a trophy.
Seriously, you do?
I told you I have the key to everything.
No, I believe you right now because I've seen.
Yeah.
And I'm testifying.
And you're happy.
I'm so happy.
You green from cheek to cheek.
Thank you. And please, do not tell me you're still going back to PH today.
Yes, I have to.
No, that
No, I have to. Wifey, please.
Go. Please, can you just do one more day with us?
Wifey.
One more day. Stay today, you go tomorrow.
Wifey, I'm having my monthly office meetings tomorrow. And I already told my brother that I'm leaving today. And I have to be there. Yes.
Well, you know you are the boss. You can always change it. And as for my husband, I know what to tell him.
Why you always doing this? Why you always... This is a very difficult task, but...
Please, it's not difficult. Okay. I'm just asking for one more day.
Alright, so since it's coming from you, my favorite wifey, I give it. No, I've already told my brother that I'm leaving today, but it's okay.
You are not leaving today. You are not leaving. Wait, let me go make your special food.
I believe you. My only wifey. The only wife I married from my brother.
You amaze me most times.
How do you mean?
How can you leave your brother at home all alone with your wife?
this guy, you know well, though. How can you even conceive such a dirty thing in your mind?
Is that what you think?
That is what it is. We're talking about my brother, my blood brother. Listen to me. Trudy will be the last person on this planet Earth to even think it, let alone do anything like that. Come on, stop imagining things.
To trust nobody.
Brother, I grew up with this guy. I know him like the back of my palm, okay? I can vouch for him. I can even stake my dollars that Trudy will never think about doing something as dirty as that. So bring your minds out of the gutters.
Well, takes a man with no experience to make such statement of yours.
Judy, there's something I am trying to understand. You came from the same womb with my husband, but yet you're totally different.
Wifey, such is life. Wifey, have you not heard of that saying? And they saying, one mother gives birth, but created by different gods. Have you not heard it? So that is it.
You're right. Because you are very caring, fun to be with. Unlike my husband, who is totally mean and cold.
Oh, is that what you're trying to say? Please.
Listen to me, it's my husband. Oh, he's a case study. Yes. You know, sometimes I try to understand him from his own point of view, but at the same time, it's difficult. Yeah, it feels like an inherent trait, yeah? I don't know. He's just totally different from you.
Huh? Maybe. Just maybe because he has made a lot of money.
This does not have anything to do with money. Listen to me. He feels that money is everything. That with his money, he can make a woman happy by buying you whatever you want and, you know, like anything money can have. But that is not what every woman, I mean my type, wants from a man. Like yourself, you're very caring, fun to be with. You know how to make a woman happy. That my husband, he doesn't have time. All he thinks about in his head is money, 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 money.
Here I am thinking I'm following his footsteps. I'm actually trying to copy my elder brother.
Please don't copy him. You're such an angel, a sweet one at that, please.
Okay, don't worry, wifey. I'm sure with time he will change for good.
Huh?
Oh, yes.
He's not going to change. It doesn't look like he's going to change. Like I said, it looks like an inherent trait. Something he was born with, you know? You know what? I still love him like that. So it doesn't have anything to do with money.
Wait. Hold on, wifey. Hold on. Are you sure? Because there's this general perception about women. Every woman loves money. Yes. Tell yourself the truth. Are you sure?
Excluding me, darling. Truly, excluding me. Because if it's about money, I've got a whole lot of men who would willingly want to give me money. Yes.
Well, of course, you know, not in this family. And not in this house. You are here to stay, not because of money.
No, I'm not thinking to... That's what I'm saying. I love your brother for who he is. But it doesn't change the fact that he's very mean.
It will change with time, don't worry.
You're basically ignorant. The truth is, I have set up a business for him in Port Harcourt, a new business, and I got him an apartment worth about 70 million naira so that he can start his life.
Are you serious?
Yes. I mean, we're just the two sons our parents had, and we suffered a lot. At some point in our lives, we could barely afford a meal a day. So now that God has blessed us, it's only proper that we enjoy. Yeah, he's my only brother, so I need to put him through.
Well, you're a man of a golden heart. Just keep doing what you're doing.
Sure, definitely, I will. I need to tidy this proposal and send it out before the end of work today. Okay.
So, let me be honest with you, right? When it comes to love making, your brother is -0. I'm sorry, not sorry. This is the truth.
No, that's not true. Don't say that. My own brother. I know that. I can't believe you.
You don't believe me?
I don't believe you.
Wait a minute. I am telling you right now, as his wife, the only thing he knows is to jump in, jump out, back and forth. He doesn't care about caressing, foreplay. He is nothing but a selfish love maker.
No, I don't believe.
It's not about himself. He wants to get himself satisfied. He doesn't care about whether the wife climaxes or not. He can go get the climax anywhere. None of his business.
No, he has to change. Yes, he has to. Because a man who has a beautiful and sexy woman like this, his honest, as a matter of fact, is to satisfy you so that he doesn't to avoid pushing you into unnecessary temptation.
Yes. Well, let's say because he has confidence in me, if you like. As a wife, I would never cheat on him. And talking about changing, it's not going to happen. Because do you know how many times I've tried to get adult movies for him? Like, I tried to force him to watch it. He trashed everything. I actually bought them with my money. He trashed it and told me never to ever bring it up to him again.
No, my wife, even at that, you're still very young to be not flowing inside of you.
He doesn't know that.
Anyways, now I see the reason you said we are two different. I'm beginning to see.
You see now?
Because you see me standing over there. Any woman I make love to will not forget to see my problem. Yes. You see, my exes that are married, they keep calling me. And you see, my husband is quite different from you. He doesn't know how to take care of me in bed. He doesn't know how to do this. He doesn't know how to do that. They keep reminding me of my late making promises. Because you see me here, I can make a woman come again and again. So don't worry, I'll talk to him. So, what do I help you? What are we doing? Fried rice or fries? Coconut rice, which
trust by myself. I'm not worthy to stand before you. I have destroyed the trust by myself. Oh, I'm not worthy to stand before you. Become my Ramon, please forgive me. Become my Ramon, please forgive me. Become my Ramon. Please forgive me. Become my Ramon. Please forgive me. I'm missing your soul. I'm missing your soul. I'm missing your soul. I'm missing your soul. I brought it on.
Husband and wife.
Hey, Judy. I hope your bag is in the car already.
Yeah. I've been waiting.
You are going. When next are we seeing you?
I don't know for now, but it's not a problem.
That sounds like forever.
Wifey!
Not to worry, She and I will be coming home for Easter to be with Mama and Papa.
Hey, this Easter?
Yes.
And then good then, Easter.
Sweetheart, Easter is very far.
No. Maybe he should pack his bag and come live with us permanently in this house.
Now. It's a good idea.
It's a very good idea.
You don't want to live with us.
Okay, but I'm going to
Wifey. Don't worry, I'll miss you. You know what? Brother already said Easter we're going to come, so we're going to see Easter. And that period, I'll be able to spend like 4, 5, 6 days or more days with you. Okay, with you guys.
So, shall we?
Yes, of course.
Get into the car.
I'll see you guys.
Ichekwuru doctor onakologa koko Igeme fasting and praying and dinime Imopaniga ngogwo ibo Imesefenina sigi JIV Abula na IVF felusia She is desperate. She is ready for child. She can do anything to have her own child. She is desperate for child. She can do anything. Ooh. Give it to her. Give it to her. She need a child. She's ready for you.
Honey? Why are you crying?
My period just came out.
Is that why you're crying?
Is that why I'm crying? Is that what you're asking me? Let me ask you, do you have an idea what it means for a married woman like me not to have missed my period for once since I married you? Can you explain that?
Yeah.
How is this funny right now? I'm talking about my problem, you're laughing. Why is it funny to you? What is funny here? I want to have my own child just like every other woman out there. Make me miss my period, even if it's for once.
Hey, Chineke. I can see you just like crying, but please, don't disturb me with your tears.
No, you lie. I will disturb you. I will... You think it's a joke?
What is this now?
You think it's a joke? You think it's a joke to make me miss my period? I want to miss my period. Make me miss my period.
What is this drama you're putting up?
Make me miss my period. Make me miss my period. Oh, okay. Okay, I'm coming. I'm right behind you.
Oh, nice. I always like coming here because it's so calm.
Yeah.
You know, you hear the sounds of the water and all that.
So, babe, when are you going for your trip?
I'll let you know when I'm ready.
Why can't you let me know now?
Because I'm not certain yet. I have a lot of busy schedules on my decks. I need to clear them. When I'm done, I'll be able to know, okay, this is when I'm traveling or not.
Okay.
Hey, this reminds me.
What?
I've not called my physics for the past 2 days. I'm sure she'll be mad at me.
You and this your brother's wife. You've not told me what is going on between the two of you.
Do I sense jealousy?
Jealousy? Me? Jealous of who? A married woman.
Well, at least, yes, at least she's official. And it's legal. You're unofficial, though. You know that. You're just doing fiancé. Well, anything can happen tomorrow. So you better to stop being jealous now.
Let's see what happens.
I know. Just a minute. Hey, wifey.
You see, Chidi, I am done and dusted with this thing, with this sham called marriage. Alright? You and your brother have succeeded in pushing me out. I am leaving him for good. Okay? Yes.
Wifey, what is it? Hold on.
Are you crying? Are you crying?
Listen to me. Please, please, please. Don't even try to patronize me. No, don't pretend like you care about me or you don't know what I'm talking about. You know every damn thing that is happening. Alright?
Wife, you know I care a lot about you. You know that. You're my one and only wifey. My only senior brother's wife, you know that. But it's okay. I'm sorry I'm not called for the past 2 days. I know you're mad at me, but please, I'm so sorry. I just had a lot of busy schedules, you know, office things, work and all that. So I need to clear them off before, you know.
Listen to me. It's obvious your brother just wants to go for the test. He has refused. He told me he's not going for any medical checkup. So it's dawned on me right now that he definitely has something he's hiding from me. And I'm not here to put up with his nonsense. I am moving on with my life. I made up my mind and that's final.
Wifey, listen to me. Please. Can you just calm down? Alright? Okay. I'll be coming tomorrow. We're going to settle this whole thing amicably. Okay? Please.
Trudy, listen to me. I do not care. I don't care. I am exhausted already.
You just have to be patient, please. Just be patient. Please, okay? I beg you. It's Judy that is talking to you. Eh? Wifey. Don't worry, everything will be sorted out, okay? Please. Alright. I want to hear you laugh so that I'll cut the call. Sorry.
So you can be this caring?
What do you mean? I'm trying to say I've not been caring to you.
You are, but not to this extent.
You see, my brother is not getting this right. Well, the truth is everybody can never be like me. But you know I always care about you.
I know.
Is that what?
What cracks my head is, why would she even assume that there's something wrong with us? Since we got married, have I not been performing my duties as a husband?
Brother, she's not insinuating anything. She only wants to be cleared and assured that the both of you pass medical tendencies of having children.
That's the one that gets me mad. Why in this world would she even assume there's something wrong with us? Why? Don't I perform as your husband? Have you not been menstruating?
Brother, she's a woman. 2 years of childlessness is like 200 years in her sight.
And that gives her the right to go telling people to come talk to me in my house about this. Really?
Brother, I'm not people who... I am your younger brother. That makes us family.
You are not the first person that has come to this house to discuss this, my friend. What is wrong with this woman? Why are you so desperate?
I am not desperate. Point of correction. Alright? If you have any skeleton in your cupboard, you better come clean and stop beating around the bush. Okay? Yes!
Really?
Yes!
I am not going to see any doctor on this account. If you're not comfortable with waiting for God's time, that's the door. Use it.
Oh yeah? I will use it. No, I will go! I will go!
Brother, please.
You heard him, right? You heard him. It's now obvious to me that your brother's source of wealth isn't genuine.
Brother! It doesn't go to this now.
No! No! Brother! No! Not again! No! No!
She's your wife for crying out loud.
So you expect me to stand there and watch her blab and insult me?
Brother, that is why she is the woman. All they do is know how to talk. No other thing, nothing else. Besides, you are the cause of this whole problem.
Me?
Yes, brother.
How?
Okay, what is there in following your woman, your wife, to the hospital for a proper medical checkup, for a proper medical test?
What is there? Why is she overflogging this medical issue? What if I go for that test and the doctor says there's nothing wrong with me?
At least her mind will be settled. As a man, you have to do what you ought to do.
She doesn't need me to go to the hospital for her mind to be at rest. I am her husband, and I have told her that there's nothing wrong with me. She doesn't need a doctor to tell her that. And I will not stand there and listen to this. Don't.
Oh, no, come on, wifey, no, please stop now. Don't stop crying. I have spoken to my brother. He has no right to hit you or to beat you up. You are his wife, not a punching bag.
No, Chidi. He wants me to leave his house for him. That I shall do. I'll be going back to my father's house.
No, you're going nowhere.
I've made up my mind. But I'm leaving.
But I'm here begging you. I'm begging you to forget about everything. Let's move on.
But he said he's not going to see any doctor or whatsoever. So the best thing for me to do right now is to move on with my life.
Wifey.
I'll go back to my father's house.
Wifey, you're not going anywhere. And you're not moving on with any life. Okay? I promise you, I've spoken to him and he will go for the checkup. Trust me.
Today, I'm tired. I swear to God, I'm tired.
No, please,
I'm tired.
Please, it's okay.
I'm tired.
Please.
I'm tired.
Trust me. You know I hate to see tears in your eyes. But I promise you have no reason to shed tears again in this marriage. Come on, please. Okay? It's okay. Please. 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 Don't cry. What have I done? What did I do? Let somebody just wake me up from this dream. Oh, God.
You shouldn't wake up from the dream if you ask me. Yes.
What are you saying?
It's a sweet, sweet, sweet dream, baby.
Uju, you're my elder brother's wife. What if he had walked into this place and caught the two of us?
I know, but...
There's no but. There is no but. I came to rescue my brother's marriage. I want to ruin it.
Listen to me. If you really want to rescue your brother's marriage, you should be ready for more of this experience.
What are you even saying? Look, I came to rescue my brother's marriage, not to ruin it.
Very well then. If you really came to rescue, you should be ready for more of this experience. Sweet experience.
What are you saying? What has come over you, Uju?
Oh my God! Can you stop already?
I thought by now she would have left the house before I came back. Why is she still here?
Brother, why are you talking like that? Huh? Do you think it's easy to have a virtuous woman like Uju as a wife? You should be grateful to God he gave you a wife like Uju.
Then why does she go on and on with this childlessness issue? In just 2 years, why is she so worked up?
Brother, I just feel you're the one making a mountain out of this little anthill. Yes. Go and see the doctor and leave the rest for God.
What is this ridiculousness you all are going on about? Anyway, at least nobody's accusing me of being adulterous or infidelity or coming back home late or drunkenness. She should also be grateful she married a very, very good man like me.
Brother, just try and be more romantic to your wife.
What do you mean more romantic?
I mean, like, making love to her. You know?
Did she tell you I don't make love to her?
No, I was just advising, like, be more romantic to your wife. She didn't say anything like that.
Both of you have something worrying you. Whatever it is, just keep it away from me. Okay?
But money is not everything. No? You're being too busy for this woman. Be more romantic. Bring out time for your wife. She loves you.
You're really now our marriage counselor, isn't it?
No, I was just only looking out for you, the two of you.
You're playing, Judy. Please, let me handle my wife the way I deem fit. Okay?
This love is strong. The love is very tight. Wonderful, Your love is strong. Your love is tight. Wonderful, They never trade on the wrong path. They live in peace. They never trade on the wrong path. They love themselves. They never try to separate themselves. They live in peace. They love themselves very much. They love themselves. They live in peace. They live in peace. They love themselves. They love themselves. This brotherly love is pure.
Congratulations, my dear. You're 6 weeks pregnant.
No, doctor, you're joking.
I am not.
Oh my God.
Easy.
Oh my God. Doctor. No! Doctor! Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. No.
Easy.
No! Hey, doctor, please. Thank you very much, sir. Oh my God. Doctor. My sweetheart, my lover. Oh my God, you are my Superman. Listen very attentively. I'm just getting back home right now from the doctor's place, and he has just confirmed to me that I am 6 weeks gone.
Hey, wow, congratulations, wifey. I'm so happy to hear this. Congrats.
Yes, baby, we made it.
Oh, wow, this really calls for celebration, you know.
Oh my God, I am so grateful for you. Like, you came into my life at the right time to wipe away my tears. I can't thank you enough. You're such a godsend to me. Thank you. From my heart. Thank you.
What? My elder brother's wife. Pregnant for me. This is ridiculous. Hey!
You see that God is wonderful. I kept telling you there was nothing wrong with us. I kept telling you not to worry your head. Are you not pregnant now? Is it not confirmed? Did I go to see any hospital? That's how I would have wasted my money on that doctor.
Babe, do you know you can pretend for the whole of Africa? Wait a minute, so you actually needed this more than me, and you've been pretending, acting like I'm the mad one, the desperate one. What name did you not call me?
Honey, I was not pretending.
Man.
I knew we were sound. I knew nothing was wrong with us, that God was going to give us our own child at His time.
Baby, why were you acting like, hey, you are pushing
By the
so
way,
much?
I'm going to be a father. So this calls for big celebration. Oh my God.
Baby.
God.
Baby.
Wally. Honey? Surprise, surprise. Here's a check of 3 million naira for you. Go to the mall, go shopping, get anything you need to make yourself happy. This is my gift to you for getting pregnant.
My God. Baby. You're so sweet.
It's nothing. You see, once you put to bed, I'm going to give you a bigger gift.
No, baby. I love you. I love you.
No. You just get ready. In fact, I'm going to take you shopping myself. Keep your check. Get ready. Let me prepare. I'll take you where you need. You get anything you want.
Baby.
Anything. Hurry up.
Okay, baby. I'm ready soon. Truly, listen to me. If there's any time for you to be happy, it should be now. Alright? You should be happy. And why should I be happy? Well, you should be happy because you finally restored joy, happiness, love, and what have you in your brother's marriage. So it's a thing of joy.
Happiness that is built on lies and deceit. Would you listen? Do you know that each time I play back on those times that you scream under me in ecstasy, I feel guilty? Do you know that?
Oh, wow. And do you also realize that those times are the reason? I mean, those times I scream under you in ecstasy, we sneak out to make some sweet love. And the reason I'm still in this marriage. These are the things that are still keeping me in this marriage. You don't know. You really do not know what you've been doing for us.
Okay. Now that you're pregnant, what will happen now?
Nothing. Absolutely nothing will happen. I mean, I have a friend who has 4 children for her husband from different men. Nobody knows anything. She's still alive and she's still living happily with her husband. Talk more of me that is pregnant for my husband's blood brother. Same flesh and blood. Oh wow. It still runs in the family. Still same thing. So there's no big deal there. I see no big deal at all.
Ojo, you forget that I'm a man. I still have blood flowing inside of me. And I know the truth. It has nothing to do with naivety.
What truth? What truth? Not like I am cheating on him with an outsider. I mean, same blood, same flesh, same thing. Listen to me. Your brother has been so helpful to you. You know it. So if this is your only 2 way of paying him back, you should be happy you did. Listen, we no longer fight like cat and dog. All thanks to you. You don't know what you did for us. You are a godsend. I'm serious. Sweetheart, listen to me. I actually do miss you.
Hey, stop it. Stop, just stop it.
Wait. What? It's me, still me. Listen to me, darling. What is your problem right now? Okay, you want me to? I know what you want.
Stay away from me.
Judy. You're kidding, right?
All those who turn round, who said evil things about my son, will come back. Will come back and thank God with him.
Amen.
And they will know that God is marvelous. God is wonderful. And that he has done it.
Yes. So how is my beautiful daughter-in-law?
She's doing fine, Papa.
Well.
That's my wife.
She's good, Mama.
And the baby in the womb?
Oh, my daughter is kicking great.
Who told this baby?
Because I know that's what I prayed for.
That is a pleasant news. In fact, you have made my day with this news.
Thank you, Papa. In fact, I want you both to do something for me very important.
What is that?
I want you to help me thank Chudi, my brother. Do you know that since Chudi stepped his feet into my house, there's been peace?
Okay.
All the disagreements I've been having with my wife has ceased.
Okay.
He spoke to us, he advised us, and since then we have become Romeo and Juliet. In fact, it was in this atmosphere of love that he brought about that the fruit of the womb came.
Hey, thank God. In fact, I will thank God for his life.
My wife does not joke with Chudi now. Before she even serves me food, she must make sure Chudi is well taken care of.
You see?
That's how much she values him in that house.
You see?
One day,
one now, Maka.
One now, Maka.
Yes, Mama, one now, Maka.
That, you see, they said blood is thicker than water.
Exactly.
Of course.
Chudi has proven it. The way he dotes on my wife, makes sure everything is okay in the house, advises us when we have an issue. He's the one to bring this person and this person together, and there's a talk. He always has a way of intervening and bringing peace. That boy. Hey!
It's God sent. It's God sent. It's God sent. I'm happy.
Hey! Hi!
I was afraid. So, we just had plenty guests because of the naming ceremony. So I needed to be sure the whole place is safe.
It is safe. I asked the security guys to take care of everything.
Chode. Chukwode. It's morning. Wake up. You're still sleeping by this time. How's the night?
Good morning, brother.
Good morning.
I used to be ceremony.
I know.
Or something.
I know everybody was weak after that. You'll be going back to Port Harcourt today, right?
Oh, yes. I will. Once I just wake up, I'll just take my bath and hit the road.
That means I'll talk to you when I get to work, when you're ready to leave. I have to rush to the office now. I have a board meeting to attend. Okay?
Alright, brother.
Alright, so have a safe trip as you go. I'll call you.
Sweetheart. You see, last night was heaven on earth. And let me be honest with you, I do not want you to go to Port Harcourt again. Please stay with us permanently.
Excuse me? I already told my brother I'm leaving for Port Harcourt today.
Sweetheart, it doesn't matter. You can just say, oh, you changed your mind, something came up. There are a lot of things to say, you know.
Are you kidding me? So who will help me run my office in Port Harcourt?
Is it me you're asking? Please, just one more night.
Okay, let me make it a little bit more easier for us. That same thing that happened last night can still happen in the daytime before I hit the road.
Okay, I get it. This is you asking me to come to daddy. I'm coming! I should come.
Come through. Come on.
Honey, honestly, this trip is very important. It's essential that I travel. Just understand and bear with me. It's just for 2 weeks.
You see what I'm talking about? No, look at it. You are not a romantic man at all. No, you are not romantic. I mean, your wife is about to put to bed. To your son for that matter. You want to leave me in this condition and travel?
Sweethearts, listen. The only romantic man in this world is that man who can provide for his wife. Money makes love sweet and sweeter, okay? I'm not going to stay all the year out there. I'm just going for a business trip and I'll be back before you know it. Just 2 weeks. Let me go out there and make this money, Bikono.
And leave me alone in this condition.
No, you're not going to be alone. I mean, there are mates in this house. There's a security. There are people to assist you do stuff.
Sweetheart, all these people you are mentioning are not going to be there when I need you.
They live. I could even ask Judy to come over and stay with you for the 2 weeks I'll be away. And I know he will oblige me that.
Wow. You want to ask your brother to come?
Yes.
Oh, your brother should come and stay in Gap for you. Meaning, he should also do the other one.
Stop, Joe. I'm not talking about doing the do. I know you can endure that for 2 weeks. All I'm saying is that he comes around and be in the house in case there's an emergency or you get into labor in the middle of the night. That's all.
You are not me, my darling. So you wouldn't know if I need to do.
Okay, what happened is this. I'm going to do enough do before I travel. So at least you have something to hold body with.
Oh,
I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. Okay. Breathe out. Breathe. Yes. Easy.
Oh no. Oh.
It is here.
Oh. My waist.
Sorry. Don't let me backbite you. Sorry. Easy.
You are holding me too tight.
Sorry.
Rub my waist.
Sorry. Okay.
It's too much. You're not rubbing it well.
Sorry. Let me open the door. Sorry. Okay.
Wait, no, don't carry them!
Okay. Now you come down now.
I'm coming now.
You don't follow. Easy. Sorry. Breathe. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Easy.
Sorry. Keep breathing now. Yes.
I'm trying.
Yes.
Open the door.
I should open the door. It's okay. Sorry.
Tell the gate man to open the gate.
Gate man, open the gate. Sorry. Okay, miss. Hold here. Okay. No, first now. Easy. Don't follow. Okay. Start it. I will start it. Gate man! Open the gate!
Please. I know I'm not worthy to be called your wife again. Please forgive me. I traded on the wrong path, I know. Please. Forgive me, please. It's my fault, please. I'm begging you.
There is nothing to forgive. Nothing.
Oh, please. I'm begging you.
Chief Untu.
No, please. No. Please. No,
there is no need living. My sins have found me out. I was on my way to this place to give your wife her third child when I had this accident that rendered me useless. Chief Untu, kill me.
No, please.
Pull the trigger! Kill me! Kill me!
No, please, it's me.
Kill me! Kill me!
Please. In the name of God. In the name of God.
Kill me! Brother, kill me! Kill me!
Trust by myself, I'm not worthy to stand before you. I have destroyed the trust by myself, oh, I'm not worthy to stand before you. Become my Ramon, please forgive me. Become my Ramon, please forgive me. Become my Ramon. Please forgive me. Become my Ramon. Please forgive me. I'm missing your soul. I'm missing My life is rude. I brought it upon myself. There's no one to be blamed. Omo kotereo no wemo. Obi amawagamu niyemuamo. Obi etiwagamu amawagamu isio. Become a remo. Please forgive me. Please forgive me.
Welcome, sir. Thank you, doctor. I have come to collect the test of the result I took yesterday. I hope it's ready.
Of course they are ready.
Good. I hope there's nothing wrong with me. Can I father a child?
See, my brother, I am surprised at your result. Because I remembered I told your wife to bring you for medical checkup, but you didn't come. The truth of the matter is that I won't lie to you. You are suffering from low sperm count.
Yes. That's not possible, doctor. What are you talking about? I have erections. I make love to my wife all the time. I ejaculate every time. How can you say I have low sperm count?
My brother, I know you can. But as it stands now, you won't be able to produce the quantity of sperm that can get the woman pregnant. Yes, let me tell you something. There are percentage of semen that a woman needs for her to be pregnant. Once you're not able to get it, forget it, my brother. Your wife can't get pregnant. That's true.
Doctor, does he have a cure?
Of course he does. See, I will prescribe some medications for you, and I'll guide you on how to go about meeting your woman.
Oh, thank you so much.
I believe you'll get the desired results.
Thank you so much. One more thing, please. What's the cause of this?
Well, most of the times it could be as a result of mistreated and untreated STD. You don't have to worry yourself, my brother. Everything will be fine.
I have destroyed the trust by myself. I'm not worthy to stand before you. I have destroyed the trust by myself. Oh, I'm not worthy to stand before you.
Come on, pretty. Why are you doing this? I've been trying to talk to you, but... Okay, just get into the car. Let me take you to wherever you're going.
What is it?
What is it? I don't want you. Can't you understand?
How can you say such a thing? How can you say you don't want me? I've been trying to talk to you, but you have intentionally and vehemently refused to give me attention. Why?
I don't get you. Does that mean I don't have the right to choose what I want and what I don't want?
Of course you have every right, but let it be something worth it. How can you say you don't want a man like me? Does it make sense?
Okay, what if I'm married?
Oh no, Flora, you can't be married. You can't be. All I know about you is you live with your brother and the wife up the street. So how come you're married?
Okay, fine. I have a serious relationship and I don't want to cheat. Does that make sense now?
Oh no,
Can I go?
Yes, it makes a lot of sense, but the truth is, giving out your number to a friend to always check up on you will not cause any harm. That is not cheating. Come on, stop looking at me like that. Please, your digits. Please. Why would you talk like that? When I tried to catch your attention, you didn't even want to listen to me. You were the one that was stubborn here. Very stubborn. Come on, you know how many times I've tried to, talk to you, make advances at you, and yet you reject my advances. I mean, they will not understand. A man who wants something goes for it desperately. You will not understand. You would. Okay? So how are you today? No, I won't have to stop you. This time around, I have to pick you up with my car and we'll go to somewhere very cool and cozy where we can sit down and talk. Very humble and nice one at that. Well, presently I'm out of town. I'm in at my brother's place. I actually came to see them. But most hopefully I should be back to Port Harcourt on Sunday evening. So is it a date? Okay. See you on Sunday evening then. Alright, take care of you. So why were you rejecting me when you knew you had no man in your life?
Because I know the kind of heart I have. I've been heartbroken before, so I prefer staying alone, married to my dildo, than get involved in another relationship that will break my heart.
Dildo?
Yeah.
Why dildo?
Because I know the kind of body I have. I have high libido, so I want it around me at all times.
Wow. Wow. I love the fact that you're very transparent.
Yeah, I'm a very transparent person. That's why I feel very bad anytime I'm taken for granted. And I hate lies. I hate it with passion.
Then if that be the case, that means you are with the right person.
I hope you're not here to take me for granted.
No, I'm not.
Okay.
Cheers. So what about the wives? Those wives, their husbands are outside the country.
God knows I can never be them.
Oh. So are you trying to say that if you get married today and your husband happens to get a very good job, good paying job abroad, you wouldn't allow him to go?
Well, it's either we go abroad together for the job or the marriage is over. I can't be here answering a married woman when my husband is there, flirting with girls. I can't. Once I'm married, my husband should be able to satisfy me in bed.
Okay.
What? Why are you laughing?
I actually got the drift.
Okay.
Sexual needs. My heart-built relationship has ruined everything. So this is the end of me. My man who cannot stand anymore. What have I gotten myself into? What have I gotten myself into? What is life? What am I living for? Sunday. Sunday! Sunday. Sunday. Sunday.
Yes, Oga. I'm here.
Take me to the poolside.
Legit, what happened? Why not in school? What are you doing here? You're tired of what? What happened now?
What kind of life is it?
Oh, God. It's okay. Listen to me. I know. It's okay.
Look at me. Is this how a student supposed to be dressed?
It's okay, calm down. I know our parents disappointed us. Okay? No. I will not disappoint us. I will not disappoint you. I will make plenty money to take good care of you, okay? I promise. Stop crying.
I paid my school fees.
Hi, God. Don't worry.
Other students are in the classroom.
Don't worry.
I'm not even eating.
Stop now.
It's not better than your father.
It's okay. I will give you money for your school fees. Once I come back home, I will give you more money for your school fees. I promise. Once I come back home, I will give you more money for the school fees. Okay? Just take this money. Just take this money. Go and buy bread and pure water. Just take this money. Go and buy bread and pure water, please. Take. Have you eaten? You know we are eating anything right, ba?
What is our offense? No, look at you. You drop out of school to make sure I go to school. And if you put in your uniform, look at me, see.
Judy.
They have to sew this uniform. They have to touch it.
Stop, please. It's okay. It's okay.
I'm tired.
Take. Collect money from me, take. Just take.
Water. How much?
200 naira. How many do you want? How much do you want? What is it?
It's Chode.
What happened to Chode? Jesus, Chode. Let's go.
I don't get to come collect your pure water. What's happening?
You go die here today. You won't cry? You don't see my mirror. You go die here today. I will teach you.
Judy, what happened? Good afternoon, ma. What happened? Talk to me, what happened? Talk to me.
I was fasting.
Okay.
So she called me to say it was up for her.
So then what happened?
I don't know when I broke out in.
Which thing? Judy, why you Auntie, I beg. Now my younger brother did this, I beg. Forgive him, I beg.
Now you bring. Make you bell him.
Yes.
Thank God. This mirror that he broke. Hope you don't say that they sell and price of 500 naira. You get money to pay, Abby?
I don't get the money like this now, I beg. I don't get the money. I beg.
Don't worry. You don't need to pay with money again. Let's say you find boy. You go sabi na kuma Abby?
Auntie, I beg. I never do this thing before. I still be virgin, I beg.
You go do it today now.
I beg.
Auntie,
I beg. Auntie, I beg.
You go do it today now.
I beg. Mama go know. She go know. I beg.
Your mama and papa, I go keep you here. Your mama and papa go come here today, come baby. Or we do the other one.
Auntie, see, my parents don't even get money to send us go school. Talk more of to bring money to come pay for this mirror. I beg now. I know say you be a good woman. You get good heart now.
You don't get money to pay for my mirror. You don't want to do the other one. No. Choose one now.
Hi.
Choose one.
Auntie, I beg now. Why you like this now? You got beg.
I beg now.
Oh, Auntie, I beg.
It's not a good deal now.
Auntie, I beg. It's not a small boy now. Auntie, I Trudy, you need to be careful, please. You need to be careful with this kind of place.
What did she do to you?
What did she do to you? Question. Let's go, John. Stand up. Carry your Peter, let's go. Jesus. What can I do? Ah! Bam. Hiya. Hiya, no. Hi.
Hey. Bianto. What is it? Why are you shouting?
Each time I'm urinating, my teeth will be paining me. I see it's on fire.
Chimo.
Hiya. Nto.
It's gonorrhea. It's gonorrhea.
How you have contacted gonorrhea to me? Chimo, gonorrhea. That I shall get. How
you have to treat it before it gets out of hand. You have to treat it.
I don't have money.
We don't have money.
Look at my younger brother. I need to take care of him. I don't have money.
You have to treat it.
I don't have money. I don't have money. I don't have money.
Jesus
Christ. Nto?
This is gonorrhea now.
No, now. Stop now. You get to play. Which child is gonorrhea again? Stop now.
Gonorrhea, Nto.
Gonorrhea.
You have to go and treat it.
Me treat gonorrhea.
Yeah.
Now I'm really hard and being a million. Which child is gonorrhea?
Hey.
I don't have money. Let's go, please.
It was all because of you that I got into this whole mess. Now this is how you're paying me back?
Hello, Oga. Oga, I don't know what is going on. Madam just packed her bag and left the house. Oga Judy just jumped inside the swimming pool. I just brought him out now, and he's no longer beaten. I don't know what to do, sir. Yes, sir.
Oh, my.
I have destroyed the trust by myself. I'm not worthy to stand before you. I have destroyed the trust by myself. Oh, I'm not worthy to stand before you. Please forgive me. Please forgive me. Please forgive me.
My dear, this is not a good news at all. This is my reality. I have practically come to the end of the road. This is the end of the road for me. Hey, Chudi, why? Why? Why would you want to ruin your own brother's marriage? I mean, what is he going to gain from it? Since he had that accident, he became a sadist, always melancholic. You made a nice decision by leaving the house for them, at least for now. Not temporarily. It's permanently. I'm not going back to that house again. You know what? Your bags will remain in my car. You're going to be staying in my house for the meantime. Thank you. But you know, I actually think I was thinking of going to the village to go be with my mother. Going to the village, you said? What are you going to tell your mother that made you run out of your matrimonial home? What? Think about it.
I have tried to trust by myself. I'm not wanting to stand before you. I have tried to trust by myself. I'm not wanting to stand before you.
What am I doing here? Who brought me here? Hello? Who is here? Who brought me here? Who brought me here? Who is here?
Daddy, where is my mommy? When will she come back?
Tomorrow.
Where did she sleep?
She slept at the hospital with Uncle Jude.
I want to see my mommy. I want to see my mommy too.
You'll see her.
My dear, you can't continue like this. You're not the first person. Neither are you going to be the last person that have done such. Cheer up. After all, your husband is the cause of it all.
What are you going to tell your husband?
My husband will not even be back in the next 3 months. And you already know that all my kids are in the body school, so you have nothing to worry about.
My kids, my children, they'll be missing me right now. I know. They'll be asking after me.
Do not worry. We will go to their school and see them any day you want to see them. It is not the end of the world. Cheer up. To me, I don't even see a big deal in what you did. Relax, girl. After all, you did it for the family.
Everything I was doing for him was for his success. All I wanted for him was happiness and growth and establishment. Only for him to turn around and stab me in the back.
Nambiko, stop crying. What your brother did is abominable. It's a very grievous sin. But I don't want you to see it from that angle. I want you to see it from the angle that I'm seeing it.
Mama, what angle are you seeing it from?
Hey, I am speechless.
Can't you see that this is devil's handwork? Is it not only two of you? So Nabo. He wants you people to fight each other so that we, your parents, will die of heartbreak. But if we should pay him back for the gravity of the sin that he has committed against you, he deserves to die. But he who kills his brother has killed his own soul. Even one nanny become one.
It's a shame. A dirty story, and as such, should not be heard outside.
Yes.
If our enemy eventually hear of it, they will make jest of us. They will mock us. So in Tumbalego, my son, Papa, you must have to forgive your brother. It is going to be very hard, but you don't have any other option. Please. You see, the reason I decided to come with you to your car is that I wouldn't want your mother to hear what I'm about to tell you now. I want to talk with you man to man. Okay, I'm listening. You see, in the olden days, when a man is unable to impregnate a wife, his nearest kinsman is called upon, paid heavily to do the job for him, on the ground that any day he tells anyone about it, he shall die. A lot of children die thinking that their supposed fathers were their real fathers. It is only a woman that can be able to tell who the real father of her child is. Think about it now. If your brother never had this accident, he would still be producing children for you, and he won't know it. How much more other people?
So what are you driving at?
Thank you. What I am driving at is that you should not start making trouble with your brother to avoid other people hearing about it. Correct the mistake. Yes, we all make mistakes. That is why pencil have eraser. Let bygone be bygone. Oh.
I've heard you, Papa.
Okay. Thank you very much, my son. Drive safely, okay?
Thank you.
Okay, bye.
See, he's suffering from depression.
What do we do now?
Well, he'll be needing the services of a psychologist.
A psychologist?
Yes. His mind needs to be worked on. With that, we could get the claims of what we're looking for.
Open the gate.
Oh,
Eh?
good afternoon.
Why are you closing the gate behind you? Won't you let me in?
Mama, I'm sorry. Will you call Madam?
Hi. Wait, I should call my daughter. I should take permission from her before coming to her house. Come on, tell me that I'm
Mama.
Open the gate now, let me enter.
Mama. I said, I'm sorry. It's like you're mistaken.
Chelo. This is the house. Open the gate.
Mama, call her on phone first.
Wait, I should call her on phone. I should call her on phone.
Yes.
Don't worry.
What is going on? Who knows? Maybe they have told her what happened. God, please, oh no. No, please, God. My mother will just die of heartbreak. What have I done? Pick your call. Pick the call. Pick up the call. Hello, Mama.
Uju, where are you?
Mama, please, I'll call you back. Oh, I'm busy somewhere.
I can't call you. You will call me later. Uju? I'm at your gate now. And your gate man did not let me in. He said I should call you first. Makagin is talking name.
At my gate? Mama. She's at Sintu's place. Mama, please, I will direct you to where I am. So you can use Okada and come to meet me, yeah? There's no need for that. Let me come pick her up. Okay, Mama, hold on, somebody is coming to where you are now to pick you up so she can bring you to where I am. Please, don't go anywhere. Just find somewhere and wait. She's coming now. My friend. Yes. Let me get my car key, please. Yeah, please, hurry up.
Please, is there any problem?
Mama, me, I don't know. One hot afternoon, Madam come back and pack her things and left.
Wait, you mean Uju is no longer living in this house?
Mama, over 4 days now. I never see them.
Okay, 4 days? Hey! What of the children?
They haven't come back from school since. Mama,
hey!
Call her phone. I'm going to.
Wait! Hey! Should I go back to village or what? Hey! If you name me Buomu, I am ashamed of myself. Uju, you have disgraced me. You have disgraced your father's family. Hey!
I'm very sorry for disappointing you like this. It wasn't intentional. The condition was unbearable.
Miss Shonugi, which condition that will make you to sleep with your husband's brother? How old are you in this marriage? Ajuju Kamnajugi. Or haven't you seen couples that are married for over 20 years without a child? Still they live happily. Here, go Guinea.
Please, I'm very sorry. Forgive me. Please. You're all I have now. Please.
It is better for people to mock you, stay in your husband's house without a child, than saying she's sleeping with her husband's brother. It's a taboo in Igbo land. Alukobu. Abomination. Hey! I can't see where Jay. Can you hear that calling what? Hey! Let me meet up here. He met up here.
Omego.
Osim no mego. Ebu chiliga kadanya. Eke chiliga oku. Okwangu jayedie. Osim no mego. Omego.
I hope all is well. How are you?
How are you? Let's go inside. Let's go inside. I have flown Chodi to Ghana to see a psychologist who would help him regain his sanity.
Hey, that's very good of you, my son. God bless you.
Amen. I have finally decided to let bygones be bygones.
You made a wise decision, my son.
Indeed, Papa. That is why I have brought back his children to stay with you both until he is stable and fit to take care of his kids himself. So I can go back, get a wife and raise my own children.
I'm begging you. If you want me to lay down,
Mama, please, just sit, please.
Yeah, I am talking your father. I am telling you now that you will do no such thing. Eh? Why will you suffer these children for sins they know nothing about? Why? Eh?
My son, nobody will tell you that these children are not your children, my son. Even if they are these children. Eh? Biko.
I've made up my mind, Papa. Let me get their bags from the car.
I don't want. How?
You're going to be staying with your grandparents for now.
And are you leaving us here? Daddy, I will go with you.
No, you cannot come with me.
Daddy, please. Daddy.
Wait. What of their education? You know the education in this place is very poor. The teachers here, they don't know anything. It's only is and was. They know. They did not go to SC. They did not go to WTC. They didn't know anything. Please, I want my children to be educated. Please, just like you. Please, my son.
Your father will take care of it.
Daddy.
Don't worry. Okay. I'll take you home. I'll take you.
I want to go now.
I will take you. Pack our things now before we go. Okay? Please, my children, please. Take I'll take you. We'll take Grandpa. Yeah? All of us will go. Yeah? Yeah? Please don't cry. Don't cry. We won't go there. We'll go to that house. All of us will go to that house. That house belongs to you people. Why shouldn't people go there? We will go. Yeah? Yeah? Yeah?
You hear?
God, since it's your will to leave me empty-handed, let your will be done.
Thank you.
Linda.
Udeje, go
You're just shining anyhow.
What do you expect me to do now? I need to shine now.
Hey, come, let me tell you something.
You like that? Bring money, we take go bring money.
That one is a small thing now. That's not a serious issue now. That's a small thing. What will he eat? What will he cost?
Let me tell you, if you just bring 100,000 naira now, she'll be all yours.
Just
now.
Just 100,000.
Yes.
Give me your account details. Let me make the transfer for you.
Hey, are you serious?
Give it to me.
Okay. 0022 34 0284.
What bank is that?
First Bank, of course.
Okay. Done.
You said also.
Confirm it is done. Yeah, you hear Neri now.
Let me check.
Yeah, I hear Neri.
I've received it though.
That's it. It's left in your hands now.
You like Gute.
Why? Why?
That's why I like you so much. In a way, Gute go.
Chai.
Hey.
Naso.
Gute shake go one.
Naso.
She'll be yours.
When we see
let
good
me
thing,
go and arrange her for
arrange
you.
it for me. Arrange it
you
for me.
know what I can do?
Why? That's why I trust you. I know you. You're very good at it.
Hold on.
Get her for me.
Hold on.
Get her for me.
I
do the same.
I will. Trust me. Trust me. I will.
No problem.
Hey.
I'm waiting.
Hey.
Ciao.
I'll be going to the salon. She'll be here with you.
It's okay. I'll wait. No problem. I'm waiting.
Handle her with care.
You trust me.
You know what I mean.
You know me now.
No problem. Oh, I'll see you later.
All right. Take care.
All right. Sir, she has gone. No, you did not follow her.
No, why will I go with her? I'm waiting for you. Come on. Come sit your ass down here. Come.
You're waiting for who? Me?
Yes.
Am I the one you're talking to?
Is there another person in this room? It's just you and me. Come sit your ass down here, please.
You're kidding me, right? You're kidding, right?
I don't understand. Come, listen, I paid heavily for this, oh. Huh? 100,000 naira is not a child's money.
You paid for who? Me? No, I look like a call girl to you, right?
Come on. Stop that. Don't bring that with me. What's that? Come and sit down. Let me enjoy what I paid heavily for.
Paid for who?
You? My friend, will you come here?
It's like you're mad. Listen to me. You see those filthy things you call hands? If you try to lay it again on me, I will strangle you. You're mad.
Listen.
Do not mess with me. Jesus.
What is this? Listen, my money, I need my money now.
Go meet whoever you gave your money to collect it back. Listen, don't...
Hey! What?
Where is it? I don't understand. Jesus, 100,000 gone. What kind of life is this? Where is this leader of a girl? If I get to meet her, she would pay me my money now.
Linda, please, what was the meaning of that stunt you pulled in there? What? Please, do not even act like you don't know what I'm talking about. I mean the stupid stunt you pulled in your house. And so? How dare you? Linda, no, how dare you?
Wait, you want to be staying out idle in my house, eating my food, drinking my water, sleeping in my bed, watching my television. You want to live a luxury life, without contributing nothing. Let me tell you, it will not work. I mean, it won't work.
So this is it. No, so this is it, right? No problem. I blame myself because I brought all this whole thing upon myself. Thank you.
Pack your things and leave my house. Who cares? Look at her. She's claiming holy wager. Whereas she's cheating on her husband. Look at the idiot I'm trying to help. Just to sleep with one man and collect 100,000 and you want to come and claim holy for me. And you want to be eating my food. You are not serious. Stupid girl. Who cares?
Thank God you are back.
At least you have to see things for yourself in the village. If you can compare the contractor life in the city and life in the village in kitchen. Ana gwa ke man no. Ndi ba snogeli no dinabo o malu nke ka mma. Na yego na nku na eje ebe a. No leba na emaka muchi. Biko me ya aka iju ugbo biko. Ana gwa ke man no. Na eni enu no inatago. No. Ana gwa no okwu. Ana gwa unu nwata okwu. Unu ama njitu na n'ife.
Mama, I'm tired now.
You are tired, Bikini.
I'm not tired, I'm trying.
You are trying. You are trying. Because one more hour, Kuma. Assuming that you are still in the city now, you just send money for me. I will look for workers and do it. Do that thing very well. Go find for Now your people can see me. Look at it. Okay? So you are cooking life in the village is very hard.
The next stage is what we call the acceptance stage. You see, anybody that eventually graduates to this acceptance stage will finally get out of any change that has befallen him. But the problem is that a lot of people, a lot of victims are usually unable to come out of negotiation stage. They can't forgive themselves. They keep trying to negotiate with something that has happened. Unfortunately, you cannot negotiate with the past. They keep asking themselves, why did I go out that day? Why did I even pick that call? Why did she even call me? What if somebody had stopped her from calling me? What if my car couldn't start on that very morning? Why this, why that? Negotiation. Trying to negotiate with something that is gone. Because it is gone and it is in the past, they cannot get that negotiation. They end up killing themselves because they end up in depression, committing suicide. You cannot negotiate with the past. But if you are able to graduate from that negotiation stage to acceptance stage, accepting what has already happened, knowing that there's nothing you can do about it. It has happened, it has happened. Yes, My father has died. Yes, I am not crippled. Yes, the accident happened. Yes, you accept it in your mind that it has happened. Then you can forgive yourself. Then you can forge ahead to the last stage, which is what we call the faith stage. The faith stage is all about believing in yourself, keeping hope alive, that one day, somehow, a miracle will take place. Of course, I've seen blind eyes open. I've seen the cripple walk out of wheelchairs. I've seen deaf ears open. And I've seen the dumb talk again. Believing that someday a miracle will happen and you would live your normal life again. Take your coffee.
I have destroyed the trust by myself. I'm not worthy to stand before you. I have destroyed the trust by myself. Oh, I'm not worthy to stand before you. Please forgive me.
Papa.
Chukwudi. Hey, Chukwudi.
Papa.
So you can walk?
Yes. Papa, it's me, it's your son.
Chukwudi. Oh.
Hey, Papa.
You
can walk.
Yes,
Papa. To God be the glory. To God be the glory. Yes. Hey. Church, thank you.
You can walk.
Yes.
Mama, let me carry it for you. Let me carry it for you. Let's go inside. Let's go inside.
Mama, how are you?
Oh, my son. There's no one to be blamed.
Hey, thank God. Let his name be praised. Let the name of Almighty God be praised, who remembered us in our low estate.
To him alone be all the praises for having restored our son's health. It can only be him.
Papa. Mama. My recovery will not be complete if I don't get the forgiveness of my brother. If brother too doesn't forgive me, of what use is my recovery? I need to be assured that he has forgiven me. I need to know that my brother has forgiven me.
You have nothing to worry about. He has already forgiven you. My son, he has forgiven you. Okay?
He has forgiven you. He has forgiven you. Iga akota na o gbahara gogi. Iga akota. Imechi iga akota. Ihu na o gbahara gogi. Yo agbahara gogi. Chukwu agbahara gogi.
I need to confirm that myself.
Why did you bring them back here?
We have a surprise for you.
Jody. Now walk.
Yes, brother. But I am sorry. I am not worthy to be called your brother anymore. Because I have sinned against you and against God. I hurt you in so many ways that I'm not even worthy to be forgiven. Brother, all I ask for is just a second chance. Just 1 second chance. To show you how much I appreciate you as my brother, my elder brother. To show you how grateful I am for putting a meaning, making a meaning out of my life. Please, brother, I beg you, forgive me. If you don't forgive me, this my life is not worth living again. Please. Please.
From the depth of my heart, Judy, I forgive you. And I take you as my brother again.
Hey! Brother!
Should I go first?
Hey, Mama, wait, make I give you. Okay. Wait, make I give you. Okay.
I have destroyed the trust by myself. I'm not worthy to stand before you. I have destroyed the trust by myself. I'm not worthy to stand before you. Take all my remorse.
Where did you say you saw her?
She's here.
Where? She was so
Slow down.
I don't know.
Could you? What are you doing here?
Mother is sick at home. There's no money to get her drugs, so I needed to just do this job to be able to raise some cash.
I can't believe this.
Please forgive me.
Alright.
Please. 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 For the sake of God and for the sake of our children, forgive me, please.
You know what? We have to leave this place now. You're done with this job. Just go.
Madam, you don't go.
Mama, you don't go.
You don't collect the one where you don't work.
Mama, hey. Girls, know what you do. Come, they carry a 4 phone. I want one to go to the another job.
Honestly, I'm sorry for everything. I mean, if I'd listened to you all this while and followed you to see the doctor, all this wouldn't have happened.
Baby, you don't have to worry yourself again. It's all in the past now. I believe we've all learned our lessons. Please, just let it go.
Yeah, I will. The doctor has confirmed it's low sperm count as a result of an infection I contracted many years ago and I didn't treat properly. But he says we have commenced treatment and in no time I'll be fit again.
I hope so, baby.
Trust me. I'll give you a heart.
Can't wait.
Please forgive me. It's all my fault. Please forgive me. I'm missing your
Where is this boy? Open the gate. Yeah. Your mommy's back. Come this way. Wow.
Oh my God, she's we made it!
What happened?
I'm always pregnant!
Are you serious? Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Come. I'm taking all of you out. We are going for a huge celebration. Thank you! Finally!
Mommy, are you going to give birth to a boy or a girl?
So tell me, which one do you want?
I want a girl. I want a boy. A girl! Boy!
That's okay. That's okay right now. That's okay. You want a girl?
Yes.
And you want a boy?
Yes.
Okay. Mommy is going to give birth to twins.
Wow!
Meaning a boy and a girl. So you will have your girl and you will have your boy.
Twins?
Yes.
I can't wait,
Mom. That settles it then.
Yay!
Chief Untu, I told you congratulations. Yeah, she had twins, a boy and a girl. No, see, forget about what you will do for me. Don't worry, forget about the cow, forget about whatever you want to do for me. Don't worry, I'm fine. All right, see you soon. All right.
Come here. Oh. How are you?
We are fine.
You're all grown. Where's Where's Daddy and Mommy?
They're inside.
Okay, good. You come and show me to where Daddy and Mommy is, okay?
Okay.
First of all, say hi to Auntie Sophia.
Good day, Auntie Sophia.
How are you?
Hi, Auntie Sophia.
How are you? How you
I'm
doing?
fine. Thank you.
These are my little boys. Okay, just show me to where Daddy and Mommy is, okay? Let's see. So, we have decided to get married.
Wow.
I'm so happy. Congratulations to both of you.
Thank you. And that's why we came to see you.
Well, this is good news. I'm so happy that after being together for all these years, you both eventually ended up together through thick and thin. It's a thing of joy to me, and I wish you the best in your marital life.
Thank you.
Have you told Papa and Mama?
No, we haven't. We decided to come and see you first. But from here, we're driving down to the village to officially inform them.
Oh, that's amazing. Whatever be the case, let me know. We'll agree upon a date, and when it's fixed, I will take care of all the expense. Just draft the budget and send across.
Thank you so much, brother.
It's nothing.
You're my brother. Lord, for real.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome, my darling. Congratulations once again.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
This love is strong. The love is very tight. Wonderful, wonderful. Their love is strong. Their love is tight. Wonderful, wonderful. They never tread on the wrong path. They live in peace. They never tread on the wrong path. They love themselves. They never try to separate themselves. They live in peace. They love themselves very much, yo. They love themselves. They live in peace. They live in peace. They love themselves. They love themselves. This brotherly love is pure. This brotherly love is envious. They care for each other. Their bond is too tight. They can't do without each other at all. Their love and unity has no compare. Their love and unity has no comparison at all. This love is strong. The love is very tight. Wonderful, wonderful. Their love is strong. Their love is tight. Wonderful, wonderful. They never tread on the wrong path. They live in peace. They never tread on the wrong path. They love themselves. They never try to separate themselves. They live in peace. They love themselves very much, yo. They love themselves. They live in peace. They live in peace. They love themselves. They love themselves.